Welcome to my office. Today I have exciting news for you. We've been working hard recently to get a new channel launched on YouTube called How to Country. If you're interested in how to live in the country and all the skills you need to live there more self-sufficient, you need to check it out. And you may have been watching our How to Country videos already, but we thought that it would be better to channel that specifically in one channel so that if you want to move to the country, you get all the skills and all the information in one channel combined. On this channel, you'll find a lot of information about growing food, gardening, about how to make firewood, how to heat your wood stove, how to keep bees, how to do all these things, how to do snow removal. So a lot of practical information and skills that can really be helpful for you when you move to the country. Whether you are a seasoned homesteader and you have a lot of experience already, or whether you're just thinking about moving to the country, I can guarantee you that there will be lots of good information for you available on this new channel. We're here to help you gain all the skills and knowledge you need to be successful and to be more self-sustained. So if you're interested in this, you should go over to our channel right now, check out How to Country, watch the first video that's waiting there for you, freshly posted, ready to go, and there will be lots of video coming. We've been producing a lot of them, so they'll be coming out, and there will be always fresh information waiting for you. What are you waiting for? If you want to see the first new video posted already on this new channel, just click on the link below in the description. You'll get right there, watch it, and I know you'll be excited.